But social bonds in the past, and the further back in the past you go, I think this is more and more the case. Social bonds really limited the identities that were available to you. And even today, if you go into extremely rural parts of Africa, India, certain Latino countries, and you talk to the kids, and all kids have ideas about what they would like to do. Some of them are their own ideas, some of them are the ideas that they've picked up from school, the media, all over the place. But in the past, there were very, very few identities that they could assume. If your father was a hunter, the chances were that the only roles open to you as a boy would be to become a hunter. If your mother was a weaver or dyer of fabrics, you would be growing up on her back to start off with, by her side when you were 3 or 4. But in a sense, this phrase, weaving was in her blood, makes some actual sense, because this is the only thing she saw women doing. Now, when we get to the millennial period, and this happens incrementally up to then, the occupational choices, lifestyle choices, where to live geographically, all of these become much more varied. There are many more choices, but they are not completely free choices, because everything carries a cost. And it's not cost-benefit analysis, because the costs are not only in terms of money. So the question arises, which previously was never even really asked: how much do you care about the bonds that you are born and brought up with? And it really matters how much you do or don't. How much do you care about moving area or country? It really begs a major question, which is a question behind modern migration. Who stays and why? Who goes and why? What are the factors? And it's not just a financial analysis. Will I be better off in cash terms? There's lots of analysis that makes it look that way. But no, they're looking at opportunities, the kind of lifestyle they want, the kind of politics they don't want, and so on and so forth. So the only way you can really get at this is not by counting heads, in other words, crude empiricism, but by in-depth interviewing of the people who make these very bold and brave moves to, get a boat for 2,000 miles to try and improve their situation.